Today we will learn how to make clones in this cool fall animation. First, grab the link to the Falling Leaves starter page on scratch.mit.edu. If you have an account, you will be able to click the remix button to get a copy of the starter characters. And then if you don't have an account, you can just simply click see inside and you can still code. It just won't save for you. So I'll go ahead and press remix. And now I have my project here. So what this starter project includes is the cat, the leaf that we will be cloning, and the backdrop of the fall. So in the cat, the first thing we're just going to do is say when green flag is clicked, say, which is inside of looks, I love fall for 5 seconds. There we go. And then for the leaf is where we're doing most of our code. So the leaf is up here, and what we're going to do is create clones of the leaf and then do something with that clone. So to find cloning blocks, we go to Control and we scroll to the bottom, and here are the cloning blocks. We need, when I start as a clone, create a clone of myself and delete this clone in different spaces. We'll use them in our program. So I'll just pull them out so that I can find them all. And the first thing that we want to do is create multiple leaves or multiple clones, because right now we only have one. So I'm going to say when green flag clicked, zoom in a little bit. When green flag clicked, I want to repeat, which is inside of Control, 250 times. Create clone of myself. Now, when you create a whole bunch of clones, they are going to appear all in one space. So if I pull them out, as you can see, they're all stacked on top of each other. So I want to spread these out. Instead of them all being drawn on the same spot, we will use, when I start as a clone, we'll do point and direction. And then we want to do a random point and direction, because if we just do one way, they all go the same direction. So we are going to make it random. Minus 120. Now we have all of them pointing in different directions, as you can see. Now we are going to change the color so that we have different colors. We'll do change color effect by, and then put another pick random in there. 1 to 50. Here we go. All of our leaves in different colors. Now we are going to make it generate in different locations across the tree line. So we'll do that by going to motion and grabbing go to XY, operators, pick random. First number will be minus 234, positive 234, and then we'll do another pick random, and we'll do 145 to 170. And there we go. Now, the next thing is to make it fall down. So we'll make them randomly wait. Go to Control, grab wait 1 second, pick random, 1 to 10, and then go to Control, grab repeat until, and then sensing, touching, edge. Motion, move 10 steps, 4 steps. There we go. And then finally, we need to delete the clones, okay, because they're all gonna live on the edges. So to delete the clones, we're going to add a ghost effect first. So go to Control, grab repeat 10, and then go to Look, go to Change Color Effect, change it to Ghost, and then 10, and then delete the clone. And then there we go. We have our full project. And as you can see, the leaves disappear.